Nothing. I think I may have found the last Pringles chicken and waffle flavored potato crisp in the entire state. But if I'm out around a Dollar General store in the next little while, I'm going to stop, see if I can't pick up a few cans. But there was nothing here today. I drove all this way to this new Dollar Tree because it said it was open, but it's the Henderson Family Pharmacy that opened. Dollar Tree still doesn't have any stock in it yet. Nothing so far anyway. What is that? Oh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Sometimes you can make money, like I'm in Tennessee, where I can get Tennessee stuff cheaper, so you can sell it online, sometimes make something. I don't see anything here that I want today, but there is some clearance out front, so let's go look at it. It's 70% off market price. These are 90 cents. Well, not a lot of great, awesome stuff, but it was all cheap enough. These were 90 cents. Turns, so you wash your hair in the sink. Got 3 of those. 5 or 6 of these. We got cold packs, ice bags, this kind of tape here. Everything was 70% off, so it was 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents. I think the most expensive thing was $1. And I'm pretty sure they overcharged me on that. But none of it's big money. But then again, I didn't spend big money to get it. So I'm gonna load up. I got a 3-year-old $20 yard sale tire, and it was brand new when I got it. Well, I mean, it's old, but it's brand new, right? And I've driven on it for, I don't know, 30,000 miles or so, and it's just got this huge knot come up. So all that good tread ain't gonna do me no good, because I'm gonna have to replace the tire. So we're going to the tire store. How'd you like to be the one to change those light bulbs? Give me a set of these for the truck. Is there anything JB Weld won't fix? Only in Tennessee. We are here in Bolivar, Tennessee today at another Dollar General store. Sorry I had to park on the side. Don't get to show you their nice, pretty sign. But anyway, let's head inside and see if we can't find some chicken and waffle chips. I think I figured it out. The chicken and waffles is never with the rest of them. They're always in a different part of the store. So let's go look in a different part of the store. Well, we found where they were, but none left. In fact, there's a lot of empty shelf space back here. But regardless, that's what we wanted. So, oh well, can't win them all. Well, if you can't find what you're looking for, find something else. Turns out these tangs are pretty good. I found them at other stores, but at the other stores I was never able to look them up because the cell phone wouldn't work. So I'm finally in a store where I can get some reception, and it turns out these are $1 a piece, and they're selling for a lot more than that on the bay. So we're going to take them all.
I mean, never mind, I don't know what I mean.
We haven't been here in a while. This is the Bobbie Dollar Tree. We're looking for a couple of different things here today. The first one's a parking spot. More of these parking daisies. This guy's halfway into my spot, but whatever. We're gonna go on in and see what they got. $100 piece. Oh, there's some. Not a lot, but the purple ones. Might as well get them here. Would you look at that? Damn, son. Well, it's 6 o'clock, but we're going to keep on going. We're going to head to the next town up. We're going to keep pushing our luck. Don't want to quit while we're on a hot streak. About got the truck full. But we're going to try one more store and then call it good. So wish us luck. Blimey, it's a kangaroo! Oh, no, it's just a Nissan. Never mind. That is the problem with being an eBay reseller. It is addictive. Once you know there's stuff out there that you can buy for $1 and turn a $15 profit on, well, it's hard not to go out and buy everyone you can get. Even if you do have a whole shed full of stuff at the house that needs to be listed, buying the stuff is the fun part. Alright, we're on our way.
Well, here's Kenny's house. In the gutter, on the cold and gray Chicago morning, another little baby child is born in the gutter. In the gutter, and his mama cries, 'cause it's one thing that she don't need, it's another little hungry mouth to feed. In the gutter, in the gutter.
Damn thing's still recording. Alright, well, that's what we got. Hoping for more. But I don't see them. Anybody need any candy? They seem to have plenty of candy. Well, looky here. This store needs more inventory, don't it? I mean, seriously. Well, I had an interesting conversation with those two girls. One of them was like, that gives me an idea. I want to start doing this. And the other one was like, is this legal? How can you buy this and then sell it for more money? This is America, sweetheart. Making a profit's what it's all about. So, I noticed we passed two Dollar Generals on the way up here. There's one of them. I didn't realize it was this close. I need to get over. There we go. Last time I passed up here, this thing didn't have squat, but this is a new day. So let's see what they got. It's getting a little late, and while I've had a tremendous amount of fun, I'm about ready to say I don't want no more cheese. Just let me out of the trap. But we're going to check these two Dollar Generals because we're in this vicinity. So let's go do it.
Waffles and chicken, Pringles. Things were good back then. Apple pie, never mind.
Always be sure to look on the very, very top. I'm bad not to look on the very top. So, always be sure you look up there. Now this is where they would be. This is the secondary chip aisle, I guess you'd say. And there is none. Zero, zip, nada. Wait, I spoke too soon. Too soon indeed. Ha ha ha. There you go, 10 more cans. Can't enjoy your chips without some tasty tang. It is 7 o'clock post-meridian time, and we are in the big town of Whiteville, Tennessee, and we are looking for a Dollar General, but we found a cop. I wonder what the speed limit is. I'm doing 55. Alright, let's put the phone down. I don't look like we're watching a damn TV show or something. Cop, 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 cop. Alright, well, there's one up here somewhere because I passed it on the way. When we get there, I'll get you back out. Alright, so that's all I'm seeing. This store is teeny tiny. Not much in here. I've been over the whole thing. And this is all I can find in the way of Pringles. And I don't see any of the ones we want. We're going to keep looking and we're going to leave. Well, as strange as it may seem, they were sold out of chicken and waffle flavored Pringles. So, I guess we're going to go home. It's getting dark. So, we're going to call it here, folks. I appreciate you sticking with me this long. This is Man Mountain Link. Till next time.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Leaves the competition in a pile of chip dust.
I wanna hold 'em like they do in Texas plays. Fold 'em, let 'em hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me, I love it. Looking intuition, play the cards with spades to start. And after he's been hooked, I'll play the one that's on his heart. Oh, 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 I'll get him hot, show him what I got. Oh, 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 I'll get him hot, show him what I got. Carry man, no he can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry man, no he can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. face. Pop, 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 poker face. Pop, pop, poker face. I wanna roll with him, a hard pair we will be. A little gambling is fun when you're with me. I love it. Russian roulette is not the same without a gun. And baby, when it's love, if it's not rough, it isn't fun. Fun. Oh, well, I'll get him high, show him what I got. Oh, I'll get him high, show him what I got. Carry man, no he can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry man, no he can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. I won't tell you that I love you, kiss or hug you, 'cause I'm bluffing with my muffin. I'm not lying, I'm just stunning with my love blue gunning. Just like a chick in the casino, take your bank before I pay you out. I promise this, take this hand 'cause I'm hot. Carry man, no he can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry man, no he can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry man, no he can't read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry man, no he can't read this poker face. She's got me like nobody. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. Like nobody. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face.
Man, Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.
What you think, Tab? You're a good Tab. You're a good Tab. Yes, you are. Good Tabby. Alright, I have yet again managed to screw up a video clip. I believe it was in Bolivar. I found these puzzles, and I know I have told people time and again not to buy these low count puzzles, but these are Lisa Frank puzzles, and here are the solds, and you'll notice they're all over the board, but I still think there's profit to be made, so I bought a case and a half of them. What do you think about that? Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Number one in the hood, G.